Good morning, y'all. Let's go hiking. Vlogmas day 18. Okay guys, so it's currently 6:30 right now and we have to drive to the spot where everyone's meeting before the hike. Okay, so we just stopped to get a lunch bar because I want a lunch bar right now. And then we will drive to the place. You guys, I am so sleepy. I am really sleepy and it's currently 6:50. But anyways, we've got this. And now I wish I carried something warm because I feel like it's gonna get cold at some point. But it's fine. We are finally at the spot. We're just waiting to see if the people that we're going with are actually here. So there's KJ.
Alright, thank you. Bye. Hello.
Hi.
So they're a bit late. They'll be in about 10 minutes.
So our hike mates, hike mates. Are they hike mates? What do you call people you hike with? So the people we're supposed to hike with are going to be... Why would you do that? They're going to be 10 minutes late, so I feel like I should take a mini nap. Okay. My friend is trying to vlog. This was supposed to be day 19, but it's going to be day 18 because I didn't vlog yesterday. The view is beautiful. still going. We are still going. Okay, you guys, I know you can barely see me, but I am dying. And people are just walking. And no, it's not clear still. And people are still walking, still surviving. I'm dying. I don't know if I'm gonna do this again. Finally getting closer to the ocean. We made it. Yay. This sand is killing me. I am dying. This place is so beautiful. It's really, really beautiful out here. That's the group that I'm supposed to be walking with. But I had to stop and take pictures. Thank you guys for joining me on this hike. My phone's about to go off, so I'm just ending this vlog right here. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment down below, share this video, share my channel, and come back for more. Otherwise, I enjoyed myself even though I'm super tired. I'll see you in my next one. Bye. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so at mcm_muya and come back for more videos. Okay, bye. For real this time.